Hi, this is Aki again from Aki's Garage. Welcome to another video. Video today is for Ford Focus instrument cluster. As you can see, I got instrument cluster here. I believe this instrument cluster is faulty, and this is a part number if anyone interested. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to get all the information like EEPROM data and Flash data from the cluster. I'm going to use the VVDI Prog. Let me just show you guys. If you go here to dashboard, and yeah, we got Ford here, and I believe is Ford Focus. Yeah, that's the one. And then if I click to the wiring diagram, yeah, this is, I think this is the actual cluster. And yeah, we do need the cable, which is the cable I got here, MC9S12. Let's open the cover and we see if we can get the data, everything out of this cluster. As you can see, guys, this is the back of the instrument cluster. You just need to click and just pull it out. This side here, one side here, and you go one click here and find one here. As you can see, this is the back of the cluster, and if I go here, yeah, this is definitely the right one. Alright guys, let's we do the wiring pin out, and then we see if we can read this instrument cluster. So I'm on wiring diagram now. Okay, that goes to let's do the reset. Just goes here, and we go ECC, which is just around here. Okay, and we go ground, which is goes just right here. Okay guys, as you can see, I connect my my VVDI Prog and all the wiring pin out. As you can see on the diagram, everything is good. So let's put my just camera here. I hope you guys you can see, and yeah, I just hold it like this. Okay, so now from here we just press read. Yes, we see we got data. Yeah, we got data. We just save the EEPROM. I just save it on desktop. So I just put EEPROM, and I put Ford. So I just save this, and now I just try to read the flash. As you can see, it's already connected, and it's just reading the flash. This is my VVDI Prog, and everything's connected, and it's just reading. Oh, that looks everything good. So I just save that one as a flash. Just save that one as well. Alright, so that one save as well. And now I just disconnect the VVDI Prog, and I disconnect all the wiring. Obviously I ordered one cluster exactly same, so I'm waiting for that one. Once I receive it, I will write down all the data, I mean the EEPROM and Flash data to the new cluster, and then you just need to plug and play. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope there is some information for someone, and like always, we do something else on the next video. Thank you.